Tired of complicated money transfers? Let's unlock the super easy way to send money from your Revolut account straight to your Visa card. First, if you're new to Revolut, download the app and create an account. Existing users simply log in. The app is available on both the App Store and Google Play. Next, to ensure smooth transfers, you'll need to add your Visa card to Revolut. On the home screen, tap the card section and select a card. Enter your Visa card details carefully. Revolut might require you to verify your card. This usually involves a small test transaction. Check your Visa card statement for the exact amount and enter it in the Revolut app to complete the verification. Now for the magic, tap on the send button, then select add a bank recipient. You want to send money to a card, so add a bank account, add the Visa card details and select the card you just added or verify. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Revolut will display any fees associated with the transfer. Always double check this before proceeding. Tap continue. Review all the transaction details on the confirmation screen. Make sure everything is correct, especially the Visa card number. When you're happy, tap send or confirm to finalize the transfer. And that's it. Your money is on its way. Transfers are typically processed within 13 business days, but this can vary depending on your bank and Visa card issuer. If you encounter any issues, double check your account balance, card details, and ensure your Revolut account is verified. You can also contact Revolut support through the app for assistance. Sending money from Revolut to your Visa card is now a breeze. Subscribe for more easy money tips.